Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can go on vacation on eBay. So I will discuss three different ways how you can do it. So the first one is that you have to have a store, and that is a requirement for the first method and in order to use the built-in functionality. The other two ways will be I will call them secret ways because it's a way how you can bypass the not having the function of going on vacation. So going on vacation functionality is only for subscribers. So as you can see here, there are different subscriber packages, and these packages are designed for stores that are selling quite a few items. You can try to calculate how much you need to sell of your items in order to be profitable, and it would be better to have a store rather than not having one. So for example, for me, I do not have a store because I'm selling just a few items every month. But the way you would do if you would have this subscription, you would go to your messages, go here, messages, and then you would go to change settings. Here you would have this out of office email response that's available for all of the users. However, there would be another option below that for vacation settings. There you would be able to set the vacation and when you would get back, and I believe for fixed price listings you would also be able to turn them off if you want to do so. So that's one of the ways. Unfortunately, this functionality comes, as I said, only for accounts that are stores, meaning that they pay the subscription fee. However, there are a couple of other ways how you can do it as well for free accounts like myself. So you would go to selling, and basically for your items you have what is called handling time. So you would select all of the items and do it the same way. I will just show you with one item, but it works if you select all items. You can do it both for auctions and for fixed price listings as well, and press edit. But if you go to the item, you would see an option where it says handling time. So if I go down, there it is, handling time 10 business days, and you can select up to 30 business days. So what you can do is to change it to 30 business days, and that means that when the customer purchases the item, he will be able, or they will be able to see the handling time, and you can select up to 30 business days. So remember, business, not calendar days. So add so that is 6 weeks, so that's 42 calendar days basically, unless there are holidays in between, so that might be even more. So change the handling time and increase it a fair amount according to the holiday that you have planned. So for example, if you go on a vacation for 2 weeks, you can select, for example, 15 business days, just to make sure that you will get time and check your eBay account and package and ship the items. So as I said, the easiest way to do is to press here and then go for to edit all of the items, and you can see that it will take a little time to process this. And then edit field, handling time. Actually, I need to select this, handling time, and then change to, select handling time, and then select, for example, the 30 business days, and save and close, and that will be it. So I think that this way is the best one for free accounts like mine. So basically the last method is to end your listing. So you would do it in the same way. You would bookmark all of them, end them, and then, so instead of edit, press end, and then at the bottom of the page you would be able to see them and you could relist them. However, this has a significant drawback, this particular method, that is during your vacation period, obviously, as your listings have been ended, then nobody will be able to see them. So that means that during your vacation, there will be no purchases of the items. So I would definitely recommend the second method for the free accounts, and the first method if you have the vacation feature enabled as you have a store. So obviously that's the best way. The second best way is to edit your handling time. However, remember to change it back when you get back from your vacation. So I hope that this tutorial was useful, and have great vacations out there, and see you guys in the next tutorial.